Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anas Juliantia, and here today I'm going to show you the simple makeup tutorial as on my final assignment for module 6, exactly for my final module on professional. Before I'm going to show you about the steps how to make a simple makeup, I'm going to show you about the makeup items that I will use today. Firstly things, I need facial foams to clean up my face from the makeup, or micellar cleansing water to clean up the waterproof makeup. And then this is the liquid tint moisturizers. It's a kind of powder, but you can also use the compact powder that you always use every day. And then this is the eye kit, shading, eyebrow pencil, eyeliner, blush on applicator, mascara, blush on, and the last thing is matte lip creams. It's one of kind of lipstick. Okay, now we go to the step. First, make sure that your face has cleaned up like this. Then we go to the next step by applying the liquid tints moisturizers by New Skins here. Don't pull it out too much, just a little bit like this. Okay, put it onto your face. You can apply it by your fingertip like here and rub it thoroughly until you think that it has done perfectly. This is so simple. Okay, I think it's almost done. One thing that I like these liquid tint moisturizers, that first it's so simple, and the second things, it can make our makeup hold down a long day. Okay, I think that has done well. I think that has done correctly. Okay. Third, we go on applying these eyebrow pencils to make a frame or align my eyebrow. Just make a frame. Okay. On the left side, Okay, you can see it's just the frames of the eyebrow. Before you fill the frames, make sure that both your eyebrow has balance between the left and the right sides. Okay, and the positions are also balanced. The left eyebrow doesn't become higher than the right eyebrow, and the size also same, and the balding colors are also same. And then we go to fill the frames by using this eye kit. I will choose this one color. Just fill it the frame of the eyebrow. It's so easy. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, you can see. Okay. Okay, you should arrange the space between the right eyebrow and the left eyebrow. It's not too nearest from each other, like this. The size also same, and the positions also balance. I think that has done perfectly today. And then we go to apply the eyeliner. This is useful for us because I think that eyeliner help our eye becomes larger than before and becomes sharper. Especially for me, I always apply this eyeliner by pull out my skin like this to make it perfect, neat, and not messy. Okay, on the left side, like this. Pull it out. Okay. And the right side again. Almost done. Okay, finish. You can see my eyeliner here. My eyes become larger and sharper. Okay, after that, we go to the next step to apply the mascara. It's so easy. You just apply it on your eyelash, but don't forget to be careful. Like this. The other side. This is the upper sides, and then okay, almost done. Don't forget to be careful to make it neat. Just like that, you can see. Actually, I have a kind of Chinese eyes, but after applying the eyeliner and also the mascara, you can see my eyes become sharper and larger. Okay, next, I always use shadings to make my nose become pointed than before. You can also use this by using your fingertip, like here. Just rub it on the right and the left sides of your nose. Okay, like this. Okay, you can see my nose become pointed than before. Okay, the next step is applying the blush on by using this applicator, blush on applicator. And applying the blush on, you can apply by making a circle on your cheeks like this. Or you can pull from the center of your cheeks to the outside like here. That's optional, depends on your favor. And the other sides of your cheek. Little bit on your cheek, on your chin, nose, and your forehead. Okay. Don't forget to make sure that between the left and the right cheek has balanced color. Why I always use the blush ons? Because I think the blush ons is useful for us to make our face become fresh and look reddened. Okay, I think that has done perfect. Next, the last steps is how to apply the matte lip cream here. It's so simple because I think that you just follow your lips line, but don't forget to be careful and make it perfect by applying slowly like this. Okay, on the upper of lips. Okay, you can see my results. The simple makeup tutorials by Juliantia. I think that's so easy, so you can apply it at home, and the makeup items are also simple, and you can get the items, all of the items, on the store near your homes. Okay, you can see the results. You can see the eyebrow, my eyes, my nose, and my lips, and also my cheeks has reddened and make my face become fresh. Okay, I think that this simple makeup you can apply at anywhere or any place. For example, when you are going to the office, or when you are going to the certain place to gather with your friends, or going to the mall, market, you can use this simple makeup. Okay, I think that's enough for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.